Hi, Max here from Blue Elephant Solutions. Today we're going to look into how we use the AI content generator in the Knowledge Gym backend to create some training content for the app. As a quick reminder, Knowledge Gym uses training content in the form of micro scenarios in a quiz format. So this generator basically helps you to take whatever training content you already have and transform it into questions and answers for this app. So I've logged into our demo account here, and I'm in the question section. Can select here on the left side. So you see like an overview of all the questions that you have in this account from the different modules as well. And you see the button on top of here, AI Learning Question Generator. So that's the one you want to click to open the generator. So once you're here, you can upload the documents that you have. Important to note at the moment, that's a PDF format. But you can also take whatever other, documents that you have and transform them into PDF. So say you have a presentation that you want to use from your training, it's a PowerPoint, just convert that into PDF. You can upload it here as well, and it works just as well. So I'm going to select example code of conduct now. You can see it's a bit of a bigger document. It's got 14 pages here. You can select the language. It's between English, German, Chinese, and Vietnamese, and select the number of questions you want generated from your document. What you can do at the bottom here, if you want your questions to revolve around a specific topic of your document, you can put that in here as keywords, press enter, and then generator will consider this. I'm going to leave this empty for now. Once you're done, you can upload the PDF and generate questions with this button down here. Right, here we are with the results. I jumped ahead quickly now just to not have too much dead air in this video, but that probably took about 15 or 20 seconds. And what you can see now, you have 3 questions generated here. And the cool thing is you don't just have the questions, of course, you also have like the explanation, basically what's the correct answer as well. And you have here for the multiple choice correct and incorrect answer options. And you can still completely customize this. So you can still add whatever content you want to add here. You can also set multiple options to correct or change those. You can also remove options as well. And you can also completely remove or decide not to keep any of the output here. So these are all set on keep here on the left side. If you decide one of those you want to completely discard, you just change this here, set to remove now. And then once you decide you're happy with this, you save. And the questions you decided to keep will be in the question overview now. So it's the 2 at the bottom here. Core values, comparison of UK Bribery Act, and probably another Bribery Act from the Code of Conduct document here. And yeah, that's how you very quickly put training content into questions for this app. You can then still go in here and edit them and add some media to it, some pictures, some videos or other things. But we will keep this for another tutorial. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.